With the Federator component of the Dynamic Workload Console V10.2.3, you are enabled to replicate the ZOS current plan to a database. In this way you run your queries on the database through the Federator without affecting the Z controller, which results in a performance enhancement of the interfaces. Configure the Federator by setting the secret key string required to register the Z controller. Set the mere OPTS statement to have your engine registered onto the Federator. The flow of data from the ZOS system to the database is completely secured by the SAF interface. Upon registration, the ZOS engine is shown in the list of discovered engines of the Dynamic Workload Console. With the Orchestration Monitor, you monitor your jobs, job streams and workstations. Have granular control over your workload through the Orchestration Monitor and enhance the performance of interfaces by mirroring the current plan on a database.